Edo State former Governor Senator Adams Oshomole don yarn the people of Esan land say make dem sharply reject the PDP's gubernatorial candidate Asuen Ighodalo as Oshomole call Ighodalo emergency Esan man question the commitment and connection wey Ighodalo get with the people when he wan govern now. Oshomole talk this one during the APC word-to-word campaign wey dem do across Esan Central and Esan West local government area of Edo State as dem mark the end of the party campaign for the Edo Central senatorial district. Oshomole no hold back for him talk about the difference between the APC candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo and the PDP's candidate Asuen Ighodalo. He con talk say Monday Okpebholo na true Esan man, say he don waka for this land, sabi the people struggle and don dey part of their life for many years. He con talk say Monday Okpebholo no need interpreter to understand the pains and hopes of the Esan people. The former governor come also question Ighodalo's professional background. They ask about the contribution when he don't make to Esan land and Edo State as a whole. For in speeches across the world where dem visit, Senator Adams Oshomole con emphasize the strong support for Senator Monday Okpebholo from both Edo South and Edo North. He con show confidence say this support go make APC candidates win.
We're not supposed to campaign here because the next governor is your own local government. Not only because it's your local government. He live for village for this local government. He go stream, go fetch water. The way me I go stream, go fetch water. So when women say they need water, Monday Okpebholo understand. When you dey waka go farm, work hard, you get cassava. You know we carry and go market because there is no road. When you tell Monday you need road, he understand because he has lived through it. When you say you have no light and you are forced to go and sleep by 6 p.m., your children cannot revise their book. Monday Okpebholo will understand because he live in a village. When you say you need primary school, beautiful secondary school, complete with teachers, so that the son and daughter of a cassava farmer can become a medical doctor or a senator or even a president. Because the president of Nigeria today is a man and market woman before he passed, Iyaloja. Our president is very proud of the mother. So when single women talk, Monday will understand. Because when you don't know, you don't feel sober. People you don't know, you don't feel mingle with them. That is why you see, when I hit them, now they look at my trouble for television. They say, what do I have to say about Asuen Ighodalo? Now they mention his name. That's Asuen. Where is he from? They say from Esan. Where they say him? I say no. Me, my wife, now I him. If I say him, man, I go know him. Because my wife be tell me say, when you marry for Esan land, it's not just your money they want your love. When God has prospered you, you don't say because your papa get house, you don't go build your own house. So now I make we build house for my wife for me. This other one where he has become emergency and where he be man. Because he here say, and those people have decided that to unify our state, it is the turn of Esan people to produce a governor. Now he hurry from Lagos. I saw him speaking Yoruba in Obia somewhere. I said, you can speak Yoruba for Obia, but you don't speak Esan. In a way, you know why I tell you, who no trust you, who they suspect you, who no believe in you, you cannot trust the person. I asked a simple question for television. I say, how now? Like Monday won't come here now. And I challenge him. He must never speak English here. Because when we say Esan agenda, he must be authentic Esan man. And beginning to know that it's Esan man, he must to speak Esan language. He can hold secret meeting with you you people.
Yes.
I'm standing here and I don't go understand. That is the logic now.
Right.
So this one go carry interpreter go in place. But the one where I believe is an insult to Esan people is that when the interpreter finish, the house where his papa build, where he live and die, where he no even come to stay in that house, he no gree sleep in away him. He carry interpreter, they enter motor, they go to Protea Hotel to go and sleep.
That's an error.
Why is he afraid to sleep for village? I might tell them, say, people like that, they are foolish people.
Yes.
They think, say, because villagers don't get money, they go say they are witches and wizards. If your mama and your papa be witches and wizards, why don't kill you inside bed? When you live for 9 months, when did they feed you with the breast? He don't give you poison. Now you say you be chairman of breweries. Everybody for your village, you don't trust them again. If you trust people, you don't go sleep there. You don't go sleep there.
Yeah.
I ask a second question. Me, I dey carry my children go my village. Even now, my own grandchildren, they come my village.
Yes.
Because they must know this is my route.
You're right.
I started doing so before I became governor.
Yes.
Just like Monday. So I asked, this Esan man, who will now bring his children to Esan land to do Christmas, to do New Year festival. When Esan they do the usual annual festival that they do in different parts of Edo State, you know they come, children know they come. His children never sleep for the village. How can you come and say, you wear your put one half of pocket? I'm an Esan man, and I want to be the next governor of Edo State. Musa! Holy Ghost! Fire! Okay, what you know, every decent human being they talk say, no soup better pass the one where your mama cook. But for us where I go there, the soup where they cook will go in me, no sweeter. Now the one for Protea Hotel, now in the chop. A truly Esan man who can mix with the poor, who can mix with the middle class, who set up his own business, run a city company, grow himself without a father. He's a self-made man. And above all, when Esan people get problems, they run to Esan big man. This man, the time when security people, they harass Esan people. General Cecil and other Esan elite, they set up what they call Esan Security Network. They were asking for donation. Our man, original, authentic, undiluted, undilutable Esan man. He donates vehicles. He donates millions of naira. How much did that's why he go down to donate? 400,000. Hey. Now you know the secret. When they can't count the money, 2 leaf no day inside. Which means it's 98,000. I'm sure you would not saw that before. Somebody will just put out a pocket, bring out a bottle. You go this now 100,000. When you count 2 leaf, 3 leaf no day. Is that the kind of man who wants us to give him a certificate? He says they carry me go court. I'm ready to go. Truth is bitter, but it must be told. You know, if you reflect very well, our DG, through popular vote, the people of Edo South, which represent almost more than 50%, they voted for him back to back. So when he says, we, Edo South, he has had their mandate to speak for Edo South people. My humble self, I've had the opportunity to govern the whole state, and I won all the 18 local government areas. And just last year, Monday and I was elected to represent Edo North. So when I say that the people of Edo North are backing Monday, they elected me to speak for them. Not only to speak, but even to spark. When necessary. And that same time, the great people of Esan Land elected Monday to represent them, the whole of Esan, the 5 local governments, for the very first time on APC platform. And as we speak, he has the mandate of Esan people to speak for them in the Nigeria Senate. I think, as you can see, when they say tested and trusted, government cannot be done by experiment. You can do experiment in a laboratory in AAU before Obaseki destroyed the place, which Monday we rebuild. What that? Monday and I, if you remember, those of you who attended his reception after his election as a senator, he came back home and he was received in a reception. I came to join him because 2 of us, just look at us. I concede to him 1.5 inches. But when he becomes governor, he will be 6 foot taller. Because nobody can be taller than governor. Because when I was governor, I was the tallest man in town. Anybody who say I'm short, I will dismiss. But the point I want to make is that without blowing grammar, without debating on any of this national network television, Modi and I said, of all the problems confronting Edo people today, is that we can't travel from Ogbela to Auchi to Ekpoma to Benin. So our commercial and social life has been jeopardized because of the condition of this road. We went to meet our president. Some of you may have watched my interaction with the Minister of Works when he put 200 naira on the road. 200 million. Any of you watched that interaction? But we didn't just fight on the tube. I called Monday, this matter, we have to go because the president now we own. We went to see him. Our people are crying, no road. Other presidents have come and gone without doing this road. We want you to finish it. The money in the budget, 200, cannot do 2 meters. The president look us. He see our Korokoro say we mean business. He say that is why he is president. If there is a will, there will be a way. And he directed the Minister of Works and provided money up to 130 billion for that road to be done. Wait. Listen. Was in it? Wait. No. I need you to take message home. Because when they want to talk, they will say Monday, don't do this Monday. Monday is not your first senator. It's not your second senator. I wasn't also the first senator in Edo North. But between us, we are proud to say that we follow the minister so he doesn't miss road to Akpakomisa, which is the worst part of the road. This time to use concrete, not asphalt, with reinforcement so that the road don't go fail after 6 days. Are you not a witness to the fact that the road is being done now? In fact, the governor has just directed me, I use the word clearly, this governor has already directed me. You know why? Because wait, level has changed already. God has already crowned him a governor. We are waiting to do our part. I want to become the governor, he can give me orders, and I will obey. Because when I was governor, I gave orders too. So, and they obey. Those who didn't obey, I dealt with them. So he has directed me that I will follow him, and I say, Your Excellency, I will. To go and look at that road and see, even as rainy season is on, those contractors are working. It is not about grammar. It's about good heart. It's about character. It's about commitment. It's about believing in the welfare and the well-being of your people. You can write dissertation in Oxford and write dissertation in Yale, but your heart is dark. It's Obaseki didn't tell us he's a banker. He even deceived me. I thought I was intelligent, but he said, no, you passed my intelligence. I have to agree. Because he do all the I said, this one, if he take over from me, and don't be a good hand. Only to spend 8 years writing MOU with Aswa Godaro. Aswa will write, he will sign, they will exchange money, they call it consultancy fee. And there is no job going on.
Waiting there for this election, not be joke matter. We want a governor that has a good heart. A governor that will see you and respect you. A governor that will see a mechanic, he will have a handshake with mechanic. You see a farmer, he will embrace a farmer. When a woman say, he go river, go fetch water, the water no clean, the governor will understand. Because he himself, growing up, he go to stream to fetch water. When women, elders say they go farm, but they don't get road to carry the farm produce go market. More they understand, because he too come from a village. He deputy, he come from a village. This one not be the one where it's not created by paper. This is what Oyinboma call organic. It's not synthetic. And you know why we must listen for message. When you take your mouth, call yourself, now you be. If you look at Aswa Godaro, I go measure his name. So people say we know they measure name. I say that, is it, wait, now ghost we won't vote for? No, he get governor, you don't go measure his name. Everybody must answer his papa name. My own papa na Adams Oshomole. This one na Monday Upewolo. You only say he be AI, artificial intelligence. Am I the one who give up that name? Not be right time for himself. He has advertised who he is. He take him out talk, say he not be original. Say na artificial he be. Intelligence na artificial. So you will call live native intelligence, organic intelligence, natural intelligence, resourceful intelligence. You will call live artificial intelligence. You don't go wrong. Do you want to be governed by artificial intelligence? If you have a choice between native intelligence, organic intelligence, original intelligence, one of your own, who live your life, who experience your pain, who also knows your hope, who has conquered poverty through self-help, who therefore know how he can help you. We in Edo North. Now I speak, let me say the way we say it in the Senate. I, Oshomole, representing the great people of Edo North, I wish to decree and declare that my people have resolved to tell this National Assembly that the Edo North people have decided to cast their vote in favor of an original Esan man called Ogbonge, alias Akpakomisa Rescue. We in Edo North. Now I speak, let me say the way we say it in the Senate. I, Oshomole, representing the great people of Edo North, I wish to decree and declare that my people have resolved to tell this National Assembly that the donor people have decided to cast their vote in favor of an original Esan man called ogbonge, alias Akpakomisa Rescue. Those in favor of this motion say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. Move.
Both Senator Monday Okpegolo and the running mate Right Honorable Denis Idahosa come show their eagerness to serve the people of Edo if they win, and they come promise to handle the state pressing issues as the top leaders of the state.
Our people, most especially the youth, I am going to ask you a question to choose between light and darkness. Who represent the light? Who represent the light? I'm not hearing you. Who represent the light? The youth. Who do you believe will rebuild the lost glory of AAU? Who is going to continue governance from where Oshomole stopped? Who is going to build the Red Roof Revolution? Who is going to bring infrastructural development to our people? Who is going to give jobs to the youths? Who is going to empower the women? Who is going to respect the traditional institutions? Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Edo Central, Esan Central specifically, have spoken. It is clear that you are from here and you are a homeboy, 100%. We are from the rural area of Edo State. Majority of our mothers and our parents are farmers. Now, certain people in certain parts of the country, they have invaded our land. And the incoming governor of Edo State had made it clear that he's going to clean all our forests to make the land, the farmland safe and secure. Number two, issue of healthcare. He said that there is going to be one functional healthcare facility in every ward. That's 192 wards that makes Edo State. Not just the facility, there will be health workers there. In addition, he said there is going to be a universal health coverage for majority of Edo people. What that means is, God forbid if you are sick, our mothers, our fathers, if you go to healthcare center with your card, because they are going to enroll you and give you a health card. When you go to the health facility with your card, they will treat you free of charge. Akpakomisa, oh yeah! I don't want to talk about issue of water resources. There is no ward, no local government in Esan land that do not have a borehole onto Akpakomisa. Am I lying? Now, the other person from another party, he has been a banker most of his life. He owns or is a chairman of Sterling Bank. Is there any Sterling Bank branch in Esan land? Has he empowered any youth in Esan land? So our people, I'm a Bini man. I speak my language very well. When you go to North, Hausa speak Hausa language. Is that not so? If you go to Yoruba land, what do they speak? If you microphone if he can speak Afema. 1 minute.
That is ogbonge.
No, sir. That means Afema man can speak Afema. I want to give the microphone to original organic Esan man to speak to you. But yeah. Afena, a man that cannot speak Esan, can he cover you? Mario Bulu. I campaign me by Vidana. We might get no Pampu Mario Bulu. Ole mata bali. I don't know. Makitale. Beside Vada, met your knee. I not a more sign. I can want to eat Bagano. Esaki Jaba Olipo. I am Magano. The mother be Aki. Then you go. I can go near the other. Kill any Bagano. Mario Bulu. But again, every Sunday, 21st of September, and Daniel Tamale, every Noceleo expire. And Daniel Tamale of honor. Ekune Madalu of honor. And we endorsement Fiorosa of honor.
Esan West, oh yeah! Akpakomisa, oh yeah! Youth, oh yeah! Eniko, oh yeah! Enite, oh yeah! Babulu Esan West, Osano Barakawa. Mama Vare na ni mado campaign. Ebi Madalu Vedana Nana, Nibatama Asewaju Obulu. Maybe about 2 years ago, Iwo can so the Nana Vine, the Dage MBA or Balebe. On whether na Ayas Abonari. Eda Tachi, Iwo can not suddenly be abroad. Eda Marco Kigo. Ada anye Byron Street now. Onukona. Oba yere. Bayere. Ada anye Byron na eda do ukwa that Senator Muhammad Legeni, not the PDP, not a mine. The President Buhari that Onukona amosti dole. Eba dole.
Campaign Director General Senator Matthew Rehide with the Director General of the Edo Central Senatorial Campaign Prince Odianose Okoje and his wife Mercy Johnson Okoje plus other top party leaders from the different wards come assure the people say the Esan Agenda 2024 go come true and come emphasize their commitment to push the region's development agenda forward.
On behalf of our candidate, Senator Monday Okpebolo, his Deputy Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, and the APC as a party. Thank you very much. You can see the turnout. We are indeed impressed with the turnout. All of you have come out. When it show to us, we say una love, una pikin. Now, today, we want to assure you that with Monday Okpebolo, Esan Agenda 2024 will be realized. The only message what we can't give now. Me, I come from Benin, Edo South. I can't tell all the people in Okoji, all the people in Edo Central, all the people in Esan Central, in Okoji in particular and Ogbonge, that we from Benin, we have decided that we are going to vote for Monday Okpebolo. Any Esan man, when we know from those places say he go fit do this thing, now be the one, that be Monday. Because of the two I don't do for Esan people. This local government area, they say blessing starts from home. Is it not so? This one shows that you are blessing. I can see women, a lot of the women. I can see all the emotions flowing. I can see the men. I can see the youth. The youth, oh yeah.
through Senator Monday Okpebolo.
Akpakomisa, you all know. He has been to this time before. We have campaigned here before. And when we campaigned for the position of senator, I assured you that victory was certain. Victory was assured. Did you not win the election? Today is a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are marching forward again. In no attack cannot go. We gave it to him and he's performing as a senator. Or one winner, my enemy, Idahosa, no said Arobo Soto. Obasana, we senate better, I will not or help me school also help. Or Mohammed Jabo, Boho, or Lupo, Idahosa. Ewe, Olikunya, Ojakuru, Akisabi Nano, Okristu, Okibajasko. As a senator, Orobo Soto, Beto Serobo Sotena, or Akiti governor, Bakuya.
Akita for you don't know. Time for. On the 21st of September, Madam Tamio our defeated enemy APC boy, so that APC is over the avenue. Abulo, some black in Akpawa.
We vote for Akpakomisa, and it's going to be 100%. We will show to the world that they are helping us, we will help ourselves. Thank you.
Your Excellency, permit me, sir. I don't know if you know this song, but because we've already gone, we've already won. This is victory already. Let's sing it. Akpakomisa, we're so tall.
Akpakomisa, ọ̀lẹ́rẹ̀ kéré náà kí gọ́ọ̀nù. Báyẹ̀ tó rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ òbúlù. Báyẹ̀ tó òbúlù. Wọ́n náà mú wá kẹ̀kẹ́, wọ́n á sọ bọ́ wá lẹ́yìn. Ààrẹ jí PDP, ATA, everything. Èrè rẹ̀ máa dé ta, máa ní nẹ́ta. Máa ní nẹ́ta. Wàbúlò. Wẹ́mí kẹ̀kẹ́ àtàlẹ̀. Mare yonya mayo ma winning for ma say winning for but ma must win no ma dey win. Ma winning for. Again na money when na hand. Ma yore. Esan Central. Ma kwani governor. Governor ni ma kwano. Governor no se mane. Oye governor no never go by o. Oye governor no supposed to run us mane o. Ono kano se mane. Oye go take campaign. O fe mu ma no ma go take campaign. Oba o no na be play ni. So that you no se ba chata play no na auto na oku kia. Ono kano se mane. O kano go enwe pe no mane no. Ebe ya da wole we na mada ho. Awe Obaseki Oyolo Eli Governor Esan Leguano Adesan Weguano what Jesana Tobo Oyolo Namagwano when I don't say money Magwano Esan I said Esan Any mercenaries they had on ya, a rebellion. By Yahweh, Jayakiyania, a neighbor, all that man on Esan Central, who never him in governor. Esan Central, I was at Pionoria, and those south, and Rebe Coupe, and I December. I don't know, and Rebe Yole, that's how he's on the way. We're not your Arabic Jamaica. Well, I will not be governor. I do. What can I do again? What I do again? You're not the name of the you are ready now. My one interpreter. October, I don't know what I do.
Osemekona, Yosemakona, Kekeriwo. Eyo wa himije. Osemakona. This is a lifetime opportunity. We may not get it again. On the 21st of September, Haba, Ine, Heniwoka, Barebe Dagbare, one way no. 100% Adarena. Barebe Obu, Barebe Obu, Solobla de Barebe.
For each campaign stop, the party can welcome new deflectors from Labour Party and PDP, where can share their reasons for joining the APC.
Akpakomisa for governor. Okay, Your Excellency, sir, as I make welcome the campaigns that are about to join our party today, sir, Comrade Emmanuel Iboyi. Sir, he was the immediate past governorship candidate of NDP from Esan Central and a central candidate before now. He has come to join our party officially today. Comrade Emmanuel Okolese, aka Spiritual. One of the PDP man is here with us. Comrade Emmanuel.
There are two people. One came with a slogan, New Edo is rising. The other one came with Obasabi. Will you follow Obasabi?
No way.
If you vote for Obasabi, you're not going to get government as well. A new Edo is rising. A very sincere man. A man that does not lie. A man that promises and is AKA
Akpakomisa. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, because I cannot just be there not working for my own brother. I have to deliver him because he's capable. He has the quality. In fact, Akpakomisa oye. Akpakomisa oye. I know by him edo. Ada na him ode jina. O la kokune. Ina mi la kokuna me. Aye la pa kokuna do mulu. O da lo tale me luri. O pa la kokune. Va bulu bulu. You don't mess up what I say.
They want to be part of the history of making not just an Esan man, but original Esan man. And they've decided to leave the Labour Party to reunite with us in APC. And the people deceiving people to becoming a progressive party man to deliver Monday Akpako rescue. Akpako rescue. Because we have to change the name. Yes. When I was coming through this road, I see the wahala of the road. That road need what? Rescue. The road need what? Rescue.
Our honorable governor, Honorable Shomon, Oheluku is school now. Honorable Modogbo, Ibaka Yoleke, Esi Akpalu. Ono kena sema. Osemo lori ole mo. Egbena eno ni adi letter onoje. Ono mona. Ero nje mara komo. Ora skiole. Botibo. Na me bele ko zero da ke gbede. Lorebo, ma ni me bele ko mo denja pa. PDP memo o ya bade. E te mo ata e me esi. Na tu, alo somole. Ebo ato me na yo bo e kimi. Uko re bo le go le. Me kere gange e kubi manafiki o ereja. O bi asa gba na ri emuja e da ri ajedo. Ramutoni meda bosi Labour Party of home. Akpakomisa. Ime ata no me be like go like be kind of one when I go run when I get a gaga. I was become governor. Ole meda mo bo. E kera nya Akpakomisa. Ole kera o sa de be afun ni. Ai kutabo ole kera. Ole ka ko tina.
Walege PDP me kai. Yeah, but as our brother is contesting, that's our own. Akpakomisa Maliore. So we must come together. We must support our brother. On the 21st, we must vote APC. We must vote who? APC. We must vote who? APC. We must vote who? Who is that? We must vote who? Wabulu.
For one total session, Director General of the Edo Central Senatorial Campaign Council, Prince Odianonse Okoje, and other supporters come confirm say Esan Central go deliver strong support for the APC candidate and them they aim for victory for Osadebe Avenue come September 21, 2024.
First of all, I go talk say my mind suit me well. As we don't walk up past the whole of Esan land, we don't walk up past all the wards, all the 51 wards that make Edo Central. We don't walk up past them. And I will tell you for free, say, the people of Esan, now only one governor from Esan land, that they want. And that person now be Senator Monday Ukbewolo, aka Akpakomisa. One, he is generally accepted by all, both the men and the women, both the young and the old. There is no doubt this man is going to be the next governor of Edo State. The people of Esan, in totality, they have spoken, and it will come to reality come September 21st.
You know, say, Monday Ukbewolo is our bona fide son. It's not a borrowed son to Esan land. Before he become senator, he has been doing things for our land, for our people, and even outside Esan land. He did certain things that even the sitting governor cannot do. The sitting senator cannot do before ascending that power as a senator. So today we are proud to say yes, we want to project him for this position because we know he's going to do something more better than what he has been doing before to affect the youth, the old ones, the young ones, as far as Esan land and generally the Edo State as a state. So that is why we all are solidly behind him. We came out to say yes, he's a son to be proud of. He's somebody that has stayed with us, he farmed with us, we do everything locally here together. So today, there is every reason for us to give him the ticket and make him to be a governor. That is why we are solidly behind him, we are solidly supporting him.
All the youth, we are benefiting from this man, Akpakomisa. That is the reason we bring him as Senate. From Senate, we now choose another position again as governor to say you are not fit in Senate, you must go for governor. That is the reason we as a youth, we supported him to become the governor aspirant. To become a governor 2024, September 21. All Esan youth, we vote him because he have done marvelous things to the Esan youth, he have done marvelous things to the women and the men. But today we are proud of him. We are proud we are from Esan because of the man doings.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Edo Central Senatorial District, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.